Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the world's greatest wonders, Borobudur. Tucked away in the lush heart of central Java, Indonesia, stands Borobudur, a magnificent Buddhist temple and one of Southeast Asia's most magnificent archaeological treasures, right alongside Angkor Wat in Cambodia and Bagan in Myanmar. Built in the 9th century during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty, Borobudur is a staggering architectural and spiritual marvel, rising majestically against the backdrop of volcanoes and jungle. This colossal monument consists of 9 stacked platforms, 6 square and 3 circular, topped by a massive central dome. It's built entirely from approximately 1.6 million blocks of volcanic andesite stone, without the use of cement or mortar. Every stone was intricately carved, forming over 20,600 relief panels that tell stories from Buddhist teachings, daily life, and Javanese mythology. Dotting the temple are 504 serene Buddha statues, and 72 of them sit inside perforated stupas on the upper levels, gazing out in silent meditation. The structure is not just a place of worship. It's a symbolic representation of the Buddhist path to enlightenment, from the world of desire at the base to the realm of formlessness at the top. Borobudur was abandoned in the 14th century as Buddhism declined in Java, only to be rediscovered under thick jungle in the 19th century by British Governor Thomas Stamford Raffles. Since then, it's undergone major restorations, the largest led by UNESCO in the 1970s, which also granted it World Heritage status in 1991. Among the most fascinating facts, the temple aligns with the cardinal points and was designed to resemble a giant mandala when viewed from above, a cosmic diagram of the universe in Buddhist tradition. Today, it's not only a pilgrimage site for Buddhists from around the world, but also a powerful symbol of Indonesia's cultural and historical depth. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys through history's greatest wonders.